Hello everyone, welcome back Simulator First Person View channel. Today, let's review and unboxing Blue Sparco Universal Aluminum Steering Wheel Quick Release. And also I have the Sparco P310 Suede 310mm to install with Blue Sparco Quick Release. Okay, let's unboxing. Oh, come with the boxing with the Sparco logo. Sparco color blue. Yes. Sparco. This thing is the long bowl and short bowl. 12 bolts. Allen key. And really nice color, Blue Sparco Quick Release. You can see nice color and nice logo Sparco. Top wiring for horn button. Bottom is wiring for horn button. This is a steering wheel side, and this is the motor bed side. Oh, very nice logo and color. The quick release made of high quality 6061 T6 bitted aluminum, and it fit all universal most car, 20mm and 74mm pitch diameter. You can see there's two format pitch diameter. First it is 70mm and 74mm here. Fits all type of steering wheel. See the male part that connect to the motor side had the 70mm pitch diameter, 6 hole, 70 diameters at motor side. And see the female part, this is connect to the steering wheel, has their 8 locking ball. You can see 8 locking ball, 5 locking ball this side, and the opposite has their 3 locking balls here. Have total 8 locking ball at female side, and for the male side has the 8 hole also. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hole here, and opposite side has 3 hole here, 1, 2, 3, 8 hole at the male side. It's very easy to release by pull the locking ring here. Yes, very easy to release. When you want to lock quick release, you can slide the female part into the male part, same as NRG quick release. If the NRG quick release, you can slide it into the female part, but this one you must pull the locking link that release the locking ball to a lock position, and then you can slide the female part to the position. Pull the locking link first and slide. Okay. Dimension of the Sparco quick release. About the 89 millimeter diameter, and height is the 62 millimeter high, and see the weight of the quick release made from aluminum. About 600 gram. 600 gram. Now install the steering wheel to the quick release Sparco P310 sway material. First, you must remove these two bolts here to remove the wiring, because for seamless sync never use this type of wire. Yes, you see, after remove, use the two bolts, and then you can remove the wiring plate. Yeah. And you can remove the compression link, because of this is compression link used for install the horn button. The Sparco P310 steering wheel do not have horn button, so you can remove this compression link that come with the Sparco quick release, and find the hole that's 70 millimeter that's at the center with the quick release. I may have the mark here. So this is the first hole. And then put the 6 bolt, then tighten the bolt in opposite position for good contact. You must start from here first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tighten a little bit in the opposite direction. Start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. install the quick release to the motor base. Very easy by use with the quick release. You see, after install with quick release, zero play. Oh, very good quick release. Nice color, blue Sparco with the blue Sparco P310. Pull the locking ring and then push. Very easy. That's it. This is blue Sparco quick release and Sparco P310. Hope you like this video. See you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.